channel. Today I have for you a what I got for Christmas slash winter haul. So I am also going to show you some of the items that I received for Christmas, but then I've been shopping too, so I'm just going to include those as well. It's not too many items that I've bought myself. I like filming these videos, and they're probably one of my favorite ones to watch throughout the year, so just thought I'd show you guys what I got. So let's get right into the items that I received. So there were actually only 2 items that I actually asked for Christmas this year, and of course I'm grateful to receive the others. But this first pair is a pair of Michael Kors shoes, which the box, I guess, got beat up when they were sent in the mail. I actually picked these out, but of course my grandmother's like, you gotta wrap it up and put it under the tree. And they're a pair of Michael Kors boots. They're just olive. Olive is my aesthetic, if you didn't know. Like, everybody's just like olive or burgundy, and I'm like, olive, duh. But I got these olive ankle booties. I love they have the gold detailing with the chain around the heel. Yeah, I haven't gotten a chance to wear them because they are suede, or I don't know if they're real, or I'm pretty sure they're fake suede. And it's like -2 degrees outside with snow. I'm not ruining these babies. And then the next item I had just kept saying, talking about to my grandparents, and it's a wheat colored pair of Timbs. Oop, oop. I haven't had Timbs in like, I think I got rid of mine last year because like somehow I ruined my Timbs. I don't know what I was doing. And yeah, everybody was like, how? Like, we've had our Timbs for years, but got a new pair. Just need to get some suede protectant, and I'm gonna be wearing these like every day probably, along with my Doc Martens. So those are only pairs of shoes that I received. Next I'm going to clothes. I'm not doing any particular order. I'll just tell who I got it from, and yeah. So first I have this jacket that my mom got me. It's like a bright coral color, and I never wear this color. Like, I actually like it, and she knows that I like wearing jackets because I like to layer and stuff. Well, it's too cold outside to be wearing this and layer it. Nope, it's 7 degrees today. A high for the week. Yeah. So that's one jacket. And then my stepmom got me this Nike zip up. Perfect for working out in. And then she also got me an Adidas hoodie, which is just gray. My lifelong dream for an Adidas hoodie. Literally, I have my friend Caitlin made fun of me. Ooh, Instagram model. Like, you know how everybody does those sporty things? Well, I have an idea in my head that I'm having an Adidas hoodie, Adidas pants, and then my Adidas shoes, Superstars. I'm gonna take a cool Instagram picture, and everybody's gonna like it. So, and then also for my stepmother, she got me a pair of blue jeans. They're by Blue Spice, and I don't know where to buy Blue Spice jeans, but I really like them. I always find them at like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and they're great. Make them both look nice. And then I also got a black pair of Blue Spice jeans. Always need black jeans because mine are always fading. She also got me, these are by Almost Famous, and they're so cute. They're light wash ripped, and they have like this embroidered flower on the side. I just love embroidery, and olive, of course. And then, I guess I'm going to order my stepmom's stuff. She also got me these Nike leggings. They're really tight, tri-fit style leggings. Kind of can't fit them right now, but I'm about to start working out, so they'll be fine. And then, for my mom, back to my aesthetic, olive jeans. And these got the olive and embroidered flowers. I love them. They're high-waisted. All my jeans, I usually have problems with them fitting the waist. These don't fit well on the waist, but they fit in the thighs and the butt. That's why I like those Blue Spice jeans, because they fit all throughout. And then I also have a few items from my grandmother. She did a great job picking out stuff this year. She got me another pair of workout leggings, and I like that these have the rips on the front. Perfect to work at the gym, I think, because it gets pretty hot in there when you're working out. I mean, it's my gym. I go to Planet Fitness, and it's air conditioned for the most part, and it works. And then also I got an Under Armour hoodie. I feel like I got a lot of hoodies and sweaters and stuff. I mean, it's cold outside, but I have too many hoodies. This one's Under Armour. Now, I like that It looks like a normal hood, but when you wear it, it kind of falls into like a cow neck. So it's kind of fashionable. And then she also stuck to the color of the season, as other people would say. Green. Well, this one's more of a forest green, I think is the color. And it has lace up, which I really like lace up. And then the last clothing item is just this red sweater. It has the cold shoulder detailing, and then it's a turtleneck, which I don't love turtlenecks, but this one's like just bigger, so it doesn't bother me as much. Like, I was one of those kids that was just like, Mom, the turtleneck is choking me. I used to be like over dramatic about it, but yeah, I'm fine with it now. And then that is all that I got for Christmas. Well, of course I got gift cards, money, and whatever. And thank you to my fam who, you know, helped me out, all this stuff. Appreciate it. Yeah, that is all that I have though for my Christmas haul this year. Let me know what other types of videos you guys want to see. And I hope you enjoyed this. Also, if you didn't, check out my last video. It was a natural hair routine for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.